Hello and welcome. We hope you are always doing well and feeling great. Today's recipe is eggs and tomatoes prepared in a wonderful way. It turns out very delicious, and I am going to show you the method. If you like the recipe, go ahead and make it. This is an economical dinner that is also perfect for students and busy people. Here I have 2 tomatoes, 1 small onion, and 2 garlic cloves. I also have 2 lightly filled tablespoons of cilantro and parsley with some tomato paste. Add salt to taste, half a spoon of paprika, and a 1/4 spoon of cumin. Add about a 1/4 spoon of black pepper and do not use too much. A pinch of hot pepper is optional. Slice the onion very thinly and grate the garlic. Grate the tomatoes as well and then come back. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a frying pan. Add the thinly sliced onion and saute it. Cook until the onion becomes soft. Add the garlic and saute it together with the onion. Cook it together with the onion. Now add the grated tomatoes. Let the tomatoes cook until they become well done. Then cover the pan. The heat should be moderate, neither too low nor too high. Leave it until the tomatoes absorb most of their liquid. Then continue cooking. The tomatoes have now absorbed some of their liquid. Keep it covered for about 5 minutes. Now add the spices together with the tomato paste. Add a little cilantro and parsley. You can also use only parsley if you prefer. Let it cook a little longer and then add the eggs. Let us begin. Cover the pan and cook until the eggs are done. I thought the video was recording, but it wasn't. The tomatoes and eggs are now fully cooked. I added a little cheese on top. I also added a little parsley. The camera looked like it was recording, but it was not. I had forgotten to press the record button. Cook the eggs according to your preferred doneness. Some people like them fully cooked, and others prefer them medium. I will decorate the dish with red and green pepper strips. The peppers were fried, peeled, and cut into strips. Now let us look at the final result. This is the final presentation of the eggs and tomatoes. It looks wonderful and tastes absolutely delicious. These are the red and green pepper strips I prepared earlier. This is how I like to decorate the dish. If you do not want to use peppers or cheese, that is completely fine. The dish is still delicious on its own. These are simply optional finishing touches. Try this recipe and enjoy it. See you in a future video from Spice, an easy kitchen.